Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Azmi bin Amil. My metric number is AF190186. I am from Group 2, Section 10, Software Engineering. So I will be presenting my part, which is Introduction. Basically, Microsoft Project was created as project management software. Microsoft Project allows you to create projects, assign tasks, manage resources, and generate outcomes on time. Microsoft Project uses task assignment and resource pricing to produce budgets. When resources are assigned to a task, the software computes the cost, which equals the effort multiplied by the rate and rolls it up to the task, any summary task level and the operational levels. However, there are some drawbacks to the software. It takes a significant amount of time and effort for the user to become competent with it, and learning how to use it is complicated. Engineers in charge of building projects must therefore be familiar with this software in order to do their responsibilities successfully. So, for the scope of the project, this project proposes the construction of a two-story gym and fitness center at Pagoh Education Hub. Pagoh Education Hub is a place where multiple universities in Malaysia share facilities such as multi-purpose hall, auditorium, and many more. There are 4 educational institutions on total, which consist of UTHM, UTM, IIUM, and PTSN. The construction of a two-story gym and fitness center has been proposed in order to accommodate the numbers of students that are using the shared facilities. The major goal of assisting in performance evaluation to fulfill customer expectations is to keep the project running smoothly according to the schedule, as well as being affordable and cost effective. So the project will started at 1st January 2023 and will end at 7th of March 2024. The cost for this project will be 412,000 and 520 and 30 cents. So the project duration will be 298 days, working every day except Saturday, Sunday, and public holidays. Working time 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Total public holidays will be 20 days. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Afifah Rada binti Abdul Razak and my magic number is AF190013. And today I will be presenting about the chapter 2 of our Microsoft project, which is the details of project proposal. And first of all, for the work breakdown structure, we have 4 levels, which is first level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. Level 1 will consist of the construction of a 2-story gym and fitness center at Pagoh Education Hub. And level 2 mostly on the summary of level 3 and level 4, which is pre-planning phase, planning stage, execution, performance and monitoring, closure, and also handing over to the client. And level 3 we have the consultation and evaluation from engineering, architectural and finance, and structural detailing, architectural designing, and so on. And for level 4 we have water supply, electric supply, excavation, backfilling, and etc. And next, for the working time information, we will have working day from 1 day to Friday. First we have 2 sessions, which is first session is 8 in the morning until 12 in the afternoon, and this is the working time. After that we have break time from 12 to 1 p.m. and after that 1 p.m. until 5 p.m. will be continue working time. And Saturday and Sunday is the weekend, which is the workers can have off day and a rest day on that day. And next we have the working time information. The task of construction of the project of construction of a 2-story gym and fitness center at Pagoh Education Hub will consist of 298 days duration time, and some of it is the pre-planning phase will take up to 24 days, planning stage will take up to 48 days, execution 195 days, temporary setup of construction need on site is 2 days, earthwork is 3 days, foundation 68 days, superstructure 98 days, hardware work 131 days, interior work 62 days, exterior finishing is 64 days, performance monitoring to 29 days, and so on. And I think that's all from me for the details of the project proposal. Move on to my next group member, and thank you.
Chapter 3, Bill of Quantity. So this is the bill of quantity for building construction of two-story mini market. First of all, pre-planning phase. Second, the planning stage. The third one is execution. The temporary setup of construction needs on site. The earthwork, foundation, the superstructure, the hardware work, the interior work, and exterior finishing. Last but not least, the performance and monitoring. So the total amount that consumed in this bill of quantity is 412,520 ringgit and 30 cent. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Emilia Fazim binti Zaidi, matric number AF190011. Next, for the conclusion, it can be concluded that the two-story convenient and construction project in Pagoh Education Hub meets all the requirements of the clients. The estimated time to complete this project was 14 months. The project started on this January and finished on March 7, 2024. The project was completed within the estimated time. This can happen because stakeholders are effectively taking on this project management task. As a result, there were no delays in the construction of this project for all construction works already detailed. The total cost of this project is approximately 412,520. The WBS, it should be for a project of this size. Construction work for this project includes land, the title acquisition from local authority, pre-construction and earthworks, foundation and superstructure works, drainage work, building works, and mechanical and electrical work, and site demolition. All of these building tasks represent major tasks, each of which must be completed before moving on the next task. Last not least, Microsoft Project is useful software that offers many benefits while making it easier to update and collect construction information as the project progresses. In addition, Microsoft Project software makes it easy to change activity, work to track changes in work progress using the Gantt chart feature than using customer certification. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akif Anakin and my matrix number is AF190139. For my part, I will present about the Microsoft project, the software file, how I implement the software, how I input the data in the Microsoft project, and what is the result of the financial S-curve. As you can see from the slide above, this is a list of the activities that I add to the Microsoft project. After I add the activities in the Microsoft project, I will change the setting in the Microsoft project to set the duration and to set the time on the Microsoft project. As you can see in the predecessor above, or the list of predecessors are discussed with my team, and we come up with this. For example, for the facilities testing and report, the predecessor is number 3. So after number 3, which is consultant and evaluation, has been done, the client consultation, the feasibility testing and reporting will be start after the consultation is done. And lastly, from the app, we can generate a curve, which is a financial and physical S-curve, to evaluate by the time how much money that we spend on this ongoing project. And for the blue grid line is come cost and cumulative cost, and for the orange grid line is the actual cost, which is the complete cost. As we can see, when reached day 61, both of the grid line has reached 100%. But although for the blue one it is slightly higher because we predict it, but it does not come any higher than that after the completion. That's all from me. Thank you.